Hey, John from Preppy Kitchen here. Today we're making a cucumber martini. This is such a refreshing, delicious drink. You've got to try it out. I feel like this is what spa water actually should be. All right, let's get started. The classic gin to use for a cucumber martini is of course Hendrick's, but you don't have to do that. Hendrick's already has a cucumber note in it, so by muddling up extra cucumber, not really gonna make a difference. Use your favorite. If you love Nolet's, 209, Boodles, Tanqueray, whatever you have, you can make it work with this drink. Let's start off by cutting 4 slices of cucumber. We're gonna be muddling these up, so don't be precious about it. Cutting 5, I'm living on the edge. Add that into a cocktail shaker, not the end piece. And we're gonna muddle this up with a little bit of vermouth. That is a ½ ounce. Use all your strength now. I should have used the English. I actually have an English cucumber right here and I chose not to use it. It's a bad choice. It's much more easily muddled. Okay, so smash it up there. Okay, that's good. Now add in your favorite gin to use. 3 ounces, please. Gin. It is a martini after all. A little bit extra, it's a blessing. Time for the ice. This might not be, you know what, I'm gonna get different ice. This is too big for my shaker. What was I thinking? I don't know. Those were ice cubes for an old fashioned, not a cucumber martini. Okay, fill it up with ice. You probably know this already, but besides making your drink cold, the ice is changing the flavor by melting and adding that water, and it makes a big difference. It's like people go crazy with artisanal ice now. All right, now carefully shake it up. This does not have the best seal. And shake. Right. Let's pour this drink out. Look at that gorgeous color. Now it's time for the garnish. This is the fun part, so we're gonna set this aside for a moment. We're gonna give this a razor thin slice. Best done with a sharp knife or a vegetable peeler, which we have to find. Take our cucumber. I'm being overly ambitious with this, but it's happening anyways. Cut a thin slice. Done. Just kidding. Right. Now the vegetable peeler comes in handy. Look at this beautiful little ribbon. This just gets placed right here, and that's gorgeous. So easy, refreshing, and you have a snack for later. Cheers. I'm gonna test this out now though. This is a strong drink, my friends. It is so nice. It is really smooth, and the cucumber is just amazing. If you love cucumber, and who doesn't, give this a try. Yes, it's strong, but if you want a drink that's like a little bit less powerful, just keep shaking it. Shake, 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 shake. The ice will melt. It'll be even cooler, smoother, and a little bit more diluted. You might just fall in love. Gotta say, my favorite part of this is that garnish. Who knew that a vegetable peeler could work such magic? If you like this drink, check out my How to Make a Paloma. It is a delicious combination of tequila, grapefruit juice, and a little something extra. You gotta watch the video to find out. Also, what about a strawberry margarita? It's the classic that's perfect for summer, and it's all fresh ingredients. Thanks so much for watching, and cheers.